Now let's talk about second contender, the Australians. That semi-final win was the pure definition of Australian cricket. Winning at all cost, never giving up and playing from the front foot. And this has been the playing characteristic of Cricket Australia ever since. Both Australia and New Zealand are from same part of the world, but their nature of playing cricket is completely opposite. Australian cricket culture is simply based on heavy metal dominating game. Playing from the front foot is the mantra of Australian cricket. Despite having 5 50-over World Cups, this is the trophy that Australia desperately want. Well, it's never enough either. This team may not be as good as the dominant Australians of 2000s, but they have enough firepower, or say they have shown enough firepower to lift any tournament. Even that 2015 World Cup winning team was not that good, yet they were strong enough to clinch that World Cup. I think mental toughness and winning culture that Australians have is better than anyone in this world. So many are considering them as favorites to win this trophy, and quite rightly so. I think this is more than fair prediction. As far as fan base is concerned, apart from Australians and core supporter of Australia, it is true that many will support New Zealand. Yeah. Now the main question still is, how much this trophy mean to Aussie? Well, at least this trophy will mean a lot. Their quest for T20 title is obvious, and frankly speaking, they cannot get nearer than this. If they win this, I think they will be back as the serious heavy hitters alongside India and England. Yes, no luck or so. It will be on merit from Australia. Yeah, they have been this good. As far as prediction is concerned, I am going with 40-60 to Australia as a prediction. Yeah, I'm having a soft edge towards New Zealand on this. Since I have made my prediction, which is 60-40 to New Zealand, but cricket being a game of uncertainty can throw a lots of surprises. So the whole of world is waiting for this final. Let's hope it will be a cracker like both the semi-finals, and all are saying just bring it on. Yes. Well, having said all this, the time is up for this video, and as ever, thank you very much for watching this video and pass me an honest opinion over this video. Plus, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.